Hello. My name is Evie. Today we're going to learn how to do a golf swing. First, we get a ball. Then put it on the tee. But we already skipped this part. We have to get the basket and then balls, and then we have to put on the tee, and then that, and then we put our feet.
No, it's okay.
So you have to put your right foot on this side, right here, and your left foot on this side of the club, right here. And then you grab a club. But this is just a practice one. So you see these V's, your right hand goes at the top, and then your left hand goes on the bottom. It's time to hit some balls. So I teach you how to put your feet here. Next you hold the club. Then you put it straight like this. But keep holding your clubs. Bend your knees a little tiny bit. And put your weight on your left foot. That's right here. And this arm, your right arm, smudge it in a little, but your left arm keep it straight. And now it's time to hit the ball. Wait, make sure to put your head a little bit forward. And you see right here, I also put my feet like right here, and then you go tap, 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 hello. And when you land, you also have to keep your left foot like this flat, but your right foot, it's better to do this instead of landing like this.
Good job, Evie.
Bye-bye.